Hey guys, it's Gloria here. I got a message yesterday that literally stopped me in my tracks, so I thought I would film a video on it. A girl from New York City just got laid off of her six-figure job, $3,500 rent, and she asked me if you had to make $5,000 in the next 30 days, Gloria, with UGC, what would you do? And honestly, this question took me back to where I was 2 years ago, slaving away at Walmart, dreading my shifts, scrolling through UGC TikToks, thinking everyone else had some secret I didn't know about. But here's what I learned after hitting consistent 10K plus months, and now running my own creative agency. 99% of UGC creators are playing the wrong game entirely. They're stuck thinking like content creators when they need to be thinking like business owners. And that single mindset shift, that's what separates the $100 creators from the $10,000 partnerships. So today I'm gonna walk you through exactly what I told her, the real strategy, not the Instagram highlight reel version, but the actual systems that took me from 0 to 6 figures, because if you're tired of gifted collabs and $150 deals, this video is gonna change everything for you. Let's start with some harsh truths that no other UGC coach is gonna tell you. First, most of what you see on TikTok about UGC, it's complete BS. These influencers making content about how to get paid 10K to create content for brands I love, half of them are making their money selling courses, not actually doing UGC. And I know this because I fell for it too. I spent months posting aesthetic videos, tagging brands, sending, hey, I'm passionate about your products messages. And you know what I got? Ghosted every single time. The second truth is you're not competing with other UGC creators, you're competing with every other way brands can spend their marketing budgets. Google ads, Facebook ads, hiring an ad agency, building an in-house team. When a brand is deciding whether to pay you $1,000 for a video, they're not thinking, is this cheaper than other creators? They're thinking, will this generate more than $1,000 in revenue? And the third truth that's gonna hurt is that if you're stuck under 3K a month, it's not because you need better equipment or better content, it's because you don't understand what business you're actually in. Okay, so back to that girl's question. If I absolutely had to make $5,000 in 30 days, here's exactly what I would do. Step 1, volume and speed over everything. Forget about being picky. When you're starting from 0, you take everything, every opportunity, every platform, every deal that pays actual money. And I'd be applying to every single creative agency, Trend.io, Billo, Coley, Incense, The Shelf. I'd be active on Reddit, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere. Minimum 30 minutes a day on these platforms hunting for opportunities. But here's the key, I wouldn't stop there. Most creators rely entirely on inbound. They wait for brands to find them, and that's actually not a strategy, that's hope. And step 2 is outreach engine. I set up proper cold email systems immediately. Apollo, Lemlist, Smart Lead, and that's really all you need. And here's what most creators don't understand. You need volume. I personally send 500 emails a day, and most creators I know make 6 figures are doing the same thing. You can't hit 5K plus months sending 5 emails a day. That math doesn't work. But, and this is crucial, volume without strategy is just spam. So you need strategic volume. Step 3, the $1 million niche secret. And this is where most creators completely mess up. They go after beauty, fashion, skincare because it looks good on their Instagram feed. But guess what? Those niches are flooded. Brands know they can get away with gifted collabs because there are thousands of creators begging to work with them. So instead, I'd go after the boring niches that actually pay, like financial tools, SaaS companies, telehealth, legal services, home services, affiliate marketing agencies. These companies have massive budgets and 0 creators targeting them. In beauty, brands pay $100 to $300 per video because their supply is infinite. In B2B, they pay $800 to $2,500 because qualified creators are rare. And step 4, the brand call framework. When you start getting responses, and you will with this approach, don't just send rates over email. Get on calls. So here's my framework. Open with control and keep it focused. Ask results-focused questions. What UGC has worked for you recently? Like, what UGC has worked for you recently? Identify one clear gap in their strategy. Pitch 1 to 2 custom ideas that solve their specific problems. Present a simple 3-tier offer and close. And this single strategy turns $200 deals into $2,000 monthly partnerships. Now here's why this emergency strategy isn't enough long-term and why most creators hit a wall around 3K and can't break through it. Problem number 1, they think like creators, not business owners. I see creators obsessing over aesthetic videos, trending sounds, perfect lighting, but brands don't care about any of that. They care about one thing, which is results. I've seen raw testimonials shot in someone's kitchen drive 6-figure revenue. And I've seen professionally produced videos with perfect everything generate 0 sales. The creators making real money, they understand they're not creating content, they're creating business assets. They speak in terms of ROAS, conversion rates, and customer acquisition costs. Problem number 2 is no systems, and this is huge. Most creators are just winging it and they rely on motivation instead of like systems. They send pitches when they feel like it and they fulfill projects chaotically, and they have no pipeline management. But here's what I learned. Successful and unsuccessful creators have the same goals. Everyone wants to make 10K a month, and what separates them is systems. You don't rely on motivation. You don't wake up deciding whether to do it. It's automatic because you built a system around it. Your UGC business needs that same energy. Outreach that happens without thinking. Content creation on schedule. Lead generation that runs while you sleep. That's all needed. And problem number 3, they don't understand the customer. Most creators never actually ask brands for feedback. They don't even know what worked, what didn't, or why. So they can't replicate their successes. They're stuck in this cycle of one-off gigs because they never build the knowledge to become truly valuable to brands. So after being stuck in the $500 to $3K range for way too long, I had a breakthrough. And it came down to 3 core realizations. Number 1, master your craft. There's a night and day difference between good and mediocre UGC creators, and it shows up in the data. I started studying high-performing UGC ads religiously, not just watching them, but breaking them down and what made the hook work. Why did this angle convert? And how did the creator build trust in 15 seconds? I'd pick 3 to 5 brands in my niche and analyze their top performers daily, side by side, with my own content. And the gaps became obvious. When you can consistently deliver content that drives results, something magical happens. Brands start offering retainers, they refer you to other brands, they trust you with bigger budgets, you stop chasing deals and start choosing them. Life just gets simpler. And realization number 2 is build your pipeline. No client stays forever, even if you do amazing work. So you need a consistent system for acquiring new brands. Whether that's outreach or inbound content, you can't let your foot off of the gas. I learned this the hard way. I'd hit a great month, think I could coast, stop pitching, then wonder why my income dropped the next month. Your pipeline is your lifeline, so guard it with your life. Realization number 3 is that it's personal, not professional. This was the biggest one. Most of my success came from personal issues bleeding into my business. If you're spending energy on toxic relationships, bad habits, negative environments, that's gonna show up in your work ethic, in your confidence on calls, and in your ability to show up consistently. So I had to get real about what was draining my energy and what was fueling it. Because you can't build a 6-figure business with a scattered mind and depleted energy. So here's what I wish someone told me 2 years ago. Creators making real money aren't just better at filming, they're better at business. They understand that UGC is performance marketing, not art projects, and they know their clients, customers better than most brands know themselves. So they think in systems, not individual tasks, and they've stopped competing on price and started competing on value. They built relationships instead of chasing transactions, and they've created predictable processes instead of relying on luck. And most importantly, they've shifted their identity. They don't see themselves as content creators hoping to get discovered. They see themselves as marketing consultants who happen to use video as their medium. That identity shift changes everything. How you price yourself, how you speak to brands, how you position your services, how you show up in the world. Look, I'm not gonna sit here and promise you'll make 10K in the next month if you follow this advice. That would be dishonest, but what I can promise is this. If you implement these systems, if you make this mindset shift, if you start thinking like a business owner instead of a content creator, your income will change. But here's what's guaranteed. If you keep doing what you're doing now, you'll get the same results. The question is, are you ready to stop playing the content creator game and start building a real business? I put some free resources in the link below, but for now, stop scrolling, pick one thing from this video, and go execute on it today. Your future self will thank you.